Welcome to Class FitSugar. I'm Kavita Rao, founder of Choreography, and I'm so excited to do this 15-minute Bollywood dance workout with you guys. We are gonna get sweating so fast and moving and grooving. I have Frank with me.
Hey.
And Mina. Hi. She'll be doing the modified version, so if you need to do anything modified, Mina is your girl. But you guys, let's get this party started. Hey. All right, dancers, we're gonna start by clapping out right away. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, and 1. Hey. Good. Keep it here. All right, you guys, this is a quick 15 minutes, so we're gonna get right into it. Can we make it bigger? Hey! Yeah, we don't have time to waste, y'all. All right, you guys gonna drop it down for me. Down, up, hey! Yeah! Good, add those arms. Good, really flex. Let's add a twist. Down, twist. Good, getting those fingers warm too. Who knew, right? Good, side to 1, 2, 3, pull. Good, get it moving. Get that blood flowing, guys. Good, 2 more. Then we're gonna take those hands overhead. Okay, all the way up, here we go. Pull, pull, all the way down. Like the roof is falling on you and you're pushing it right back up. Here. Bending those knees with those elbows. Everything goes down together, but our core is nice and strong. One side, here we go. You get that hip involved. It feels good. Other side, y'all. Good, keep that hip going. Good, let's warm up those shoulders, y'all. What do you think? Shoulders. It said yes. It said yes, sir. We are gonna get those shoulders going. Other side. Good. Good. Back to our beating step and down. Pull out a leg. Hey. Kick that booty. Good. Give me that nice level kick. Give me jump it. Down. Jump. Woo.
Hey.
They said warm up. We said warm up. Arms. Pull. Pull. Pull and pull it down, you guys. That was amazing. We are not gonna stop. We're gonna keep that heart rate up. So you're gonna just take this foot going front and back. 1, ha. Keep it here. Give me a jump, jump, jump. Good, this is just the feet. We're about to add the arm. Jump, now give it half time. 5, 6, jump, jump. Now we're gonna add some hands. Out, up, out, and clap, clap. Hey, you guys, nice. Ow. Work those hips. Hey, hey, one more, y'all. Here we go. Side, side. Shoot, 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 shoot. Oh, yeah. Work those isolations. Shoot, 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 shoot. Hey. Stay in that plie. Keep those knees bent. Y'all ready for some shimmies? Hey, 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 hup, hup. Let me hear y'all say, hup, hey. Whatever you want to say. Hey, hey. Back to the top. Hup. Good, 10. One more time, y'all. You got it. Back to our hips, hips. Woo!
Come on, Kavita.
Oh, yeah. You want to take your eyes with it? Please do. Y'all, shimmies. Hey, hey. Pop, pop. Can you really jump, y'all? Pick it up. Hey, hey. You guys are, hey. All right, you guys, we are gonna just keep this party going. This is a dirty beat, y'all. Just freestyle for me a little bit. Hey. All right, you guys, our arms are gonna go up and down like a box. up, 2, down, 2, up, 2. Can we take that a little faster? Up, down, up. Let's add a pop, 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 pop. Hey, that feels good. Can we rotate it? 1, 2, 3. Other side. Hey, hey. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use those legs, y'all. Can we do double time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, hup, hup. You guys, we're gonna give a little change of beats. Let's go punch, 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 punch. Take it back. 2. Woo, lean it back. 5, 6, 7. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch it down. 6. Those are our fists. And back. 2, 3. Kind of like your old school sprinkler, right?
Yes, I'm here for it.
Break it down. 1, 2. This is 4. Give me 3, 2, and hold. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on the 3, 2, 3. Y'all got one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Contract every time. It's an ab workout, y'all. 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring those arms in the center, y'all. Shoot. A big matrix moment. Good. We're gonna go back to arms, arms. Shoot. Can we add that body? Shoot. And shoot. Spread the butter. So we're gonna go single, quick, quick, single, quick, quick, single. Hup, hup, y'all got it. You need to keep it slow. It's okay. Good, you guys, we're gonna tap, punch. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and hold. 1. That's it, y'all. We punch it at the end. You guys got it. This next one is gonna be your cardio push, but we're gonna break it down for you step by step. So we're just gonna go through the feet first. So you're gonna step, touch, step, touch, 7, 8. Step, 2, back, 2, around in a half circle. Good, and front, tap, back, tap, take half circle, 4 steps, tap, 1, 2, 3, 4. But we can make it a little bit happier, y'all. 1, 2, jump, tap, jump, 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 touch. Let those arms be loose because it's about to get crazy. So whatever you want to do here, party it out. Have your own little dance party. All right, here's the arms. Just go and scoop. Hit, scoop, back, chuck, tap, 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 scoop, hit. Give me those shoulders, 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 shoulders. Scoop, front, scoop, it back, back. I told you this is cardio, y'all. Good, you're gonna go side to side. Just rock it out. We're gonna get those hips involved. Ready? 5, 6, push it out. Push, 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 hup. Hey, chest, everything going? Take it around, hup, 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 hup. Hey, other side, ball change into it. Hey, one more time, ba, ba. Keep it going, y'all. Back to the top, push it out. Hey, take it low. Up, take it up, up, and down. One more time. Up, up, down. Yes. You guys ready to take that from that top step?
Yes.
Here we go. Up, up. Y'all, let's keep it going. Hey, hey. 5. You guys, told you gotta keep breathing. Woo. Good, back to those hips, y'all. Just rock it out, rock it, rock it. Hup. Get those arms in. I want you to lift those hips. Go hip, 2, 3, 4. Push it back, 6, 7, 8. Drop into those heels. Good. It's gonna go rock, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. How low can y'all get? Woo. 1, 2, get low. Hey, I see you. Come on, Frankie. Tell me one more, how low? Lowest one yet. I lied, you can always do one more. Y'all know me. All right, back to top, last time. This is your push, y'all. This is when you're like, oh my gosh, I can't do any more. Yes, you can. All right, you guys, listen to those drum beats. We're gonna get nice and heavy. So sink those heels into the ground. We're going up, down, up, down, up, cross over the chest. Almost like warrior-like is how I feel for this, right? Like fierce. Really find that level change. Up, down, up, down, up. Good. Really cross over. Good, you guys. Woo. Now can we give it a slide? Slide, hop, slide, hop. Really take up that space, guys. Hey, 1, 2, 3. You guys know what? We guys gotta pick everything up. Because this is chill and all, but we don't like to be chill, do we? Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoo. Hey, hey. Still try to take up that space, y'all. Hoop, hoop, ha, hoop, hoop. We're almost there. Keep it up. This is where you really gotta push through it, fight for it. Good, now we're gonna bring those arms out. Chop, breathe, breathe. It's like you have a ball between your hands that you're just rotating. Go down, 2, 3, 4, take it up, 2, other side, down, 2, bend those legs, up, 2, one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, take it, other side. Now we're gonna talk about the feet, you guys. So it's gonna go like this, step, step, back, back. It's all about the hips with the step. That's what's gonna make it look cute and sassy. Or fierce, however you wanna feel. It's your class. I want you guys to feel good about this at the end. Now we're gonna take those feet a little faster. You guys ready for it? Here we go. Up, up. Hey, freestyle those arms, because we're gonna add those arms in last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ba, ba, shoom. Chop it all the way down, you guys. All right. We are gonna end it with a nice chill vibe. What kind of chill? So you're gonna just take 2 twists to this side. Woo! Get those obliques, y'all. 1, 2, ha. Woo, I feel that burn already. Why already? Can you give me a single, y'all? 1, 2, 3, switch it. Now we're gonna add some arms. Let's go circle, 2, 3, away from you. Keep that twist though. You still gotta be working those obliques, but you just get to look like it's effortless. Singles, 1, 2. Keep it going. This one's all about that Bollywood side eye, yeah. Good, now we're gonna give it a slow, 2. Little alligator arms. Can you pull up that knee? Good. Now other side, we're gonna give it a classic twist the light bulb. So you're gonna pull down every time. Yes, this is like if you go to any Indian party, a wedding, an Indian wedding. This is the classic twist the light bulb move, you guys. Let's put those together. It's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, pull 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's double it up. 1, 2, 3, other side, and 1, 2. Now if you're feeling extra spicy, you pull that knee up, up, up. Yes, I'm feeling spicy, guys. Yes. Always feeling spicy. Last one. We're gonna break down one more move for you guys. It's gonna go criss, cross, hit. Criss, cross, hit. Cross it over, ha. I'll let you freestyle those arms right here. 1, 2. Give me that shoulder though. Hey. All right, you guys, let's take it up a notch. Here we go. 1 and 2. Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Woo. I'm feeling it. Back split, top, twist. Get those obliques in, singles. Alligator. 3, 4, pull, 5. Again. Pull. One more time. Let's end it with our crisscross hit. Hey! Work it out, y'all! This is it! And deep breath in out. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Awesome work today. You should be so proud of yourselves. Thank you, Frank. Thank you, Mina. Thank you, guys. Can't wait to see you next time at Dance FitSugar. Bye, y'all.